of SugarFit, welcome you all to today's second day of our session. So first of all, I would like to, introduce you. I am Chandra Mukherjee. I'm not audible.
Absolutely audible, Chandra.
Uh, So Dr. Smera is not able to hear me. Okay. I guess you can check your
Then you
settings.
can, yeah, you can
Yeah.
turn on your camera. You are the co-host.
Yes. So this is Chandra Mukherjee, a senior health coach in SugarFit and working in clinical operations. So I have been working with SugarFit for more than 3 years now, and I'm really proud to be a part of an esteemed growing organization. And now today I would like to introduce you to our second session of our, physiotherapy week. Today we are going to take up the back pain essentials, right? So before that, I would like to invite our today's esteemed guest, Dr. Smera. Welcome, Dr. Smera, today for taking your special time. Thank you so much. I would just like to give you a small introduction. Dr. Smera Swadesh holds a BPT and MPT in cardiorespiratory disorders, complemented by an advanced general management program from IMT Ghaziabad. She is currently working as a consultant physiotherapist at Apollo Clinic, Bellandur, Bangalore. Dr. Smera brings a wealth of knowledge and experience in physiotherapy, specializing in cardiorespiratory care, making her a valuable asset to the healthcare team. Welcome, Dr. Mehra. And now this platform is yours. I would like to, just everyone, please give your whole attention to this webinar. Any questions, any queries, we will definitely take it up at the end of the session. Whatever queries you have, please put it in the chat. And also let us know if you want this session to be, if you all are able to understand English, somewhere we'll take up things in Hindi as well. So over to you, Dr. Smera.
Hi, Chandra. Just give us 2 seconds. Smira's joining again. I think she's facing some issue with the connectivity. She's rejoining. So till then, I just would like to know who all are facing the back pain issues. We all have sedentary lifestyle. We all have sitting job. And I think back pain is one of the major problem which we all face somewhere. So I would like to know who all are facing. You can write down in the chat section and what basically is the major issue with you. Smira, please turn on your camera. Can you please turn on your camera? I'm just quickly checking. Till then, Chandra, can you just please pitch it?
Yes. So I think we are getting messages. Yes, low back pain issue with my L5 after an incident. So when we talk about, back pain essentials, so definitely we are common back pain issues. We see that people are facing these days and more often encountered. There is a sciatica problem, which is very, very common. I think many of you will agree, and you can put it in the chat as well, that many of you do suffer from sciatica issues, stiffness in the back, like थोड़ा सा हम bend करने जाते हैं, या like when you kind of sitting for long and you try to stand, there is stiffness in the back, right? Muscle weakness, that is also a very main, I think, quite an important and a crucial reason for all the back pains. And disc problems, we do have performance syndrome, then spine injuries and pain, that also causes a lot of back pain, right? So I'm looking into those things. And so, okay. And
Okay, fine.
so
1 minute.
I guess Miss Mera has joined.
Nothing. I didn't do anything.
And have back pain for last 40 years, low back pains as well, a tear in my arms. Cervical issues, muscle spasm. Yeah, I guess people are putting in a lot of answers how they are facing these issues. So what all measures you all are currently doing? Like I know, like someone has mentioned that I'm facing this issue since 40 years, right? Or someone is like maybe 10, 5 years, 2 years. So can we please put in the chat that what measures are we taking? What kind of exercises we are doing? Or are we taking any physiotherapy sessions, or how it has helped? If we can put those as well, it would really help us to go forward with the session with a lot of information from all our participants. Someone has mentioned back pain due to wrong stretching. Yeah, if you kind of do a very crucial, stretch,
That
too
is.
much stretching. I think Dr. Smera has joined.
Am I visible?
Just a second. Yeah,
No.
can you
Yeah, Smira, can you hear us? Still not able to hear us. Can you just join in from the phone and keep talking over the phone, and for video you can use the your connectivity seems to be an issue, I feel.
So I'm 1 minute. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, I 1 minute.
Use the mobile. Okay, so sorry for a bit of hiccups. So there was some connectivity issue at her end. So I think she is back. Smira, can you try talking? Andrew, she's in.
are you able to hear us, Smera? Can you hear us? Just give a thumbs up.
Smira, can you talk? Otherwise, Smira, you can join from phone.
Hello?
Yes, Smera, when we can hear you. You're on mute. Can you please unmute?
Second, Chandra. Is it okay, Smara? Okay, so she's just quickly fixing up she's in the lab right now and trying to connect from there. It was all fine when she joined it, but all of a sudden some problem happened. So just give us few minutes. We are going to fix it soon. And yeah, I was on mute because I was talking to her and trying to fix the issue. I hope it's like, please cooperate. So yeah, today's session is on the back pain, and Dr. Smira will be taking up the session today. And what all topics we will be covering today is basically more on the long-standing jobs. You know, what is the issue? What are the major reasons why people develop the back pain? That's what we are going to cover the first, and then the anatomy of the back pain, why it happens, and what are the major reasons, and how one can, really look into it. What causes it, and what is the difference between the upper back pain and the lower back pain? Again, she will be talking about a lot of LBA, which can be the referred, which can be referred due to the other reasons. There might be some other reasons which can lead to the back pain issues, which she will be covering up, and she will be demonstrating certain exercises, which is going to be helpful to us to reduce and overcome these issues in the future part, because we somewhere, we all are very much addicted to our laptops because it's a job demand, and we are, into very much into sedentary lifestyle, and how the diabetes is related to the back pain, and how it impact, and what are the major reasons related to the diabetes. She will be covering up all today. So please stay tuned. We are just waiting for her to quickly fix her camera and the audio device. Till then, you can keep dropping your questions here in the chat section. Anything that anyone has tried, anything like any physiotherapy sessions which has helped you in reducing your back pain issues? Anyone who has taken the physiotherapy sessions, you can raise your hands. Savinderji, you have taken? I could see your hand. Okay, you want to talk? Yeah, you can unmute yourself.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, Savinderji, I can hear you.
Yes, I've taken this almost in last 5 years, at least 3 to 4 times I've taken physiotherapy, but I don't do exercise. That's the main problem I'm having. So I have to take a stick and walk because of my back pain at present.
But do you think that the physiotherapy has helped you, and why you are not exercising?
Yes, it had helped me, but I'm a very lazy man, always sitting.
So now
So,
today you have to promise everyone that you won't be lazy at all. You are going to focus on,
no,
because
I
back
have
is our
to.
major support.
Yeah, I have to remove my back pain because I can't travel. I cannot go out because of this pain. At present, the pain is less because I do little exercise, not much, because I do try to walk a lot. Hello.
Yes, we can hear you. Neha, you are on mute.
I'm just trying to help her out.
Hello.
Smera, you are audible now.
Yeah, Neha,
Yes, we can hear you.
can you hear me?
Yes, I
Yes,
can.
can hear you.
Okay.
Okay. Can you
So am I audible to everyone?
Yes, everyone can quickly put in the chat.
Oh, hello. So, hello.
Can you just join from one audio? This is fine. Absolutely okay.
Hi, hi.
Everyone is. Smira, can you join using one audio, either the mobile or the laptop one? We are not able to hear you now.
Hello.
Yeah, please join from one audio. If you keep the mobile next to you, then we won't be able to hear you. So you can start. Smira, are you talking? Can you unmute yourself and start the session?
Hello.
Can you log out from the mobile?
So can you guys hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay. So sorry for the delay. I had some connection issues and
Yeah, no worries, Smira, we can start now.
okay. So let me introduce myself first. I'm Dr. Smera Sudesh from Apollo Clinic Bellantur, working as a consultant physiotherapist and ergonomist. So for today's topics, we are covering up backache. In India, 1 out of 4 people are affected with back pain. So and 60% of people get relief from back pain within 10 to 12 weeks. But the prevalence can reoccur again within very high in most of them. So
Smira, can we just turn off one audio, because I think it's echoing.
Neha, when I'm switching off one audio, no, then again other one is also getting off.
The volume कम कर दो आप.
So I'll reduce my volume. That is okay.
Yes. Just reduce the mobile volume.
Fine.
Better. Is it
Now,
for everyone else? Yeah, you can start.
okay. Okay. So I'll be. Can I share the screen?
I'm able to share, Smira. You can continue.
Okay. So you can go to the next slide. So, so the problem is like we need to know how we develop back pain. So there are certain risk factors which is associated with back pain and sciatica. One is age. Most often we have seen like more than people who are more than 44 year of age are developing back pain. But nowadays even the youngsters are also having the same issues with the back pain. It's because of the poor ergonomics and sedentary lifestyle. And other risk factors are like long sitting jobs, long sitting, like long standing jobs, driving, poor sleeping habits. So while coming to the anatomy of the spine, as you can see, this is your spine. Your spine consists of 33 vertebrae, which is like in between the vertebrae you have 23 intervertebral disc. What will happen when you have any issues with the spine, or if any predisposing factors are there, if any herniated disc are there? So what will happen is like, when if any herniated disc is there, as you can see in this, the red mark over this area, so this is considered as a herniated disc, which can press the nerve endings which passes by, and it can cause sciatica kind of issues. And sometimes what will happen is like sciatica and piriformis muscle syndrome, which is more similar to sciatica, will be having a confusion. So there are certain techniques and procedures and special tests to find out how we can rule out, like whether it is a sciatica related to your nerve impingement, or a sciatica which is related to the muscle strain which is pressing the nerves. So when you consider about your spine, so we start from the occiput towards the buttock area. Okay, so if you consider it like upper mid back, lower mid back. So if you are getting an upper back pain, so there are certain exercises which you can perform, and which certain stretches which you can do to relieve the tension towards that area, and even for the lower back pain also. So if it is considered towards the lower back pain, what you can do is like there are certain exercises which you should not do as well. So we will come to back to the stage.
So, Dr. Smera, I would like to ask one question on behalf of our
Okay.
So how does physiotherapy specifically help in managing sciatica or disc-related back pain? How does physiotherapy helps here?
It's a good question actually. So I will tell you, there are two types of treatment which you can follow up with. So some people, like depending of each and every individual, the pain differs, right? So some people will be having like how they experience the pain, how they take the pain is different. Okay, for some people it is like if they have minimal pain also, they will be thinking like, okay, I have a lot of pain and all. So it's a more of a psychological thing as well. So if you consider like on the scale of 1 to 10, if you're considering it, if you have more than 50% of pain, it's better you can split up the treatment, like you can go for electrotherapeutic modalities and even with the exercises. If you are taking up the electrotherapy modalities, that will help you to relieve the pain, and like it will help you to improve the wear and tear injury also towards that area. And even with the exercises, whatever muscles which have went for weakness because of the injury, because of the inactivity and all, no, we can strengthen those muscles and we can go back to the previous stage as well.
Smira, can you speak in Hindi also a bit? Is it okay for you?
Yes. So yeah, I'm not that good in Hindi, but I'll try to speak. So क्या होता है ना, हमारे शरीर में कुछ लोगों के लिए दर्द का how they take the pain is different. Okay, so क्या होता है ना, वो उसी लोगों के लिए हमारा ट्रीटमेंट तो ही है. Okay, वो एक इलेक्ट्रोथेराप्यूटिक मोडालिटी की कर सकते हो, और दूसरा हम एक्सरसाइज के हेल्प कर सकते हैं. सो व्हेन यू आप जो रिहैबिलिटेशन प्रोटोकॉल के लिए जा रहा है ना, उसी टाइम पे इलेक्ट्रोथेरेपी मोडालिटीज एंड एक्सरसाइजेस विल बी टुगेदर डन. So with that, your pain will be reduced.
Smira, आपने ना, you have joined from two devices. It's not clear and we are not able to hear you. You have to keep the mobile little away from your device. We are able to hear you.
Okay, is this okay? Is it fine now?
No, there's a lot of echo. I don't know why, but Can you join from the mobile network?
Yes.
Otherwise, we have to cancel this session.
Yes, yes.
Sorry, I can understand. It's a very disturbing sound. We checked it beforehand and it was all fine. But all of a sudden, when we started with the session, it started going and we started facing a lot of issues. I hope you understand there are sometimes, technical issues. It's just not the good day. And if we couldn't fix it up, we will reschedule this session for 10. So please bear with us and I'm very sorry. We are not able to fix this. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry to everyone. We really apologize for the inconvenience. We tried our best to fix it up, but sorry we couldn't. And we have to reschedule this session for 10. I'm very, very sorry for all the, loss of the time. And please bear with us and let's take this session again on 10. I hope you can, excuse us for this time. It's absolutely, very uncertain. We have definitely planned it very well, and the last session also happened so well. I just apologize for today and let's reconnect this session or reschedule this session for 10th of September. Chandra, thank you so much. I think we will do it on 10 because of
Yes,
these
Neha.
connectivity issues. Thank you.
Sure, sure. Thank you everyone for understanding and your patience. And we are really sorry. We will definitely have it next time.
Yeah, we are very sorry. Thank you so much for all the understanding.